The other two dogs, one dog here named Booklet. The other name Namtan. You. Come, we make video. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Pussy, and the old carport is vanished. Only a hole from one pillar. Yeah. And the third day for the construction of the new carport. Yes. The new carport and the sala. The big box is not tool inside. It's for food and for drink. You see here, plastic. Where you always plastic. Oh, by the hell! And here they're working very hard, 4 or 5 hours a day. Come at around 8 or 9 o'clock. Then 10 o'clock they have small breakfast. Around 12:30, 1 o'clock they make lunch for 1 hour. Now they left. I don't know where. Here you see. There's work going on. I think 2 or 3 days. Then the roof is on the top. Then it's finished. And then we have a new carport. But the concrete, I think we need the concrete on the floor here. Yes. And then today came the link chain fence. Very good English with link chain fence. They have to fix it here and they have to cut, so they all the same tall, same high. Yes, and I see here, the energy drink. You see, energy drink, sugar poor, and they broke one. I think we put it in the swamp here. Finish. Yeah. Winter time come. Only 27 degrees now. Celsius, not Fahrenheit. So, and very cold in the morning. That means 23 degrees. And it's not raining. Sometimes it looks like raining. But not here, the clouds are not raining there. Covered the sun. Our mango tree, not season at the moment, but season time. Many mangoes, very sweet and small. Oh, here they delivered the Maschendrahtzaun. Very good German word, Maschendrahtzaun. Okay, maybe some people see this. Oh, our lemon, I see the lemon. Oh, yeah, okay. Maybe he can or not, I don't know. Okay. Oh, there's another dog. I see another dog called Spooky. The black one. The black Spooky. Yes, come. Spooky, come. Oh, yeah, he feels sleepy. Okay, so I think Good night altogether.